அன்புமணி செய்தியாளர்களை சந்தித்து வருகின்றார். அந்த காட்சிகளை காணலாம்.
The last 5 years has been the worst rule Tamil Nadu has ever seen. We have a very, very incompetent chief minister who doesn't know what is happening in his state. Every day there's been corruption issues. Every day there's been protests by various sections of society, like nurses are protesting, sanitation workers have been protesting, noon meal workers have been protesting, teachers have been protesting, professors have been protesting, doctors have been protesting, poultry workers have been protesting in every section of society. Everybody is angry. I have done a 100-day Padayatra recently, and wherever I went, like not one person supported the DMK. And every day there's been corruption. Yesterday, the ED has given a report to the Tamil Nadu police saying that in transfer of personnel in one department, the municipal administration, 366 crore rupees had been got by corruption in the DMK in one department. Last month, 888 crore rupees have been got through corruption by the DMK in one department, in the municipal department, in appointment. And there's been 4,000 crore of corruption in sand mining, in Tasmark, 5,000 crore corruption in the rocks, sand, all these things. Like there's been corruption every day. So collection, commission, corruption is the way of life for the DMK, and they need to be thrown out as soon as possible. And NDA, the ADMK-led NDA in Tamil Nadu, we are all come together now. The last few elections, DMK could be win because the opposition was fragmented. Now we have a very solid opposition, and we are resolved now to fight and throw out this corrupt DMK rule here in Tamil Nadu. And definitely we will win hands down, because the farmers are very angry against the DMK. The laborers are very angry, and the mothers and parents, because there have been rampant use of drugs and substance abuse in Tamil Nadu, even more than Punjab. And this entire generation has been spoilt by this DMK family. So this is something where people are very angry. There's a huge anti-incumbency wave happening in Tamil Nadu. Now we have got together. This is going to be a tsunami. Anti-incumbency tsunami is going to be, we're going to throw out the corrupt and anti-people, anti-women DMK government in the coming election. We're very happy that. So, and this ADMK-led NDA is going to evolve more. More parties will come to our alliance, and it's going to be a mega alliance, and this is going to sweep the elections.
So one important question from DMK is now, Mr. Ramdas also said that taking you and India alliance will not be applicable because he considers himself...
We will handle that when it comes.
Friends, I just want to share one thing with you. I come from Mumbai. And in Mumbai, so I was just sharing with Dr. Ramadas. In Mumbai, so much work is happening on infrastructure, Atal Setu of 22 kilometers, coastal road connecting one end of Mumbai to the other.